Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Ranger louder step by step. Start by assessing your exhaust path and factory muffler type, then choose whether to modify or replace components. Check local noise regulations before any changes to avoid fines. Gather basic tools and safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Plan for incremental changes so you can measure sound and performance effects after each modification. Selecting the right muffler is key to a louder, pleasing tone. Consider straight-through mufflers for raw volume or chambered designs for deeper sound with less drone. Match inlet and outlet diameters for a secure fit. Expect modest horsepower shifts depending on design. Monitor performance after installation. Install with new clamps and gaskets or have a shop weld connections for a leak-free finish that holds up under regular driving. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers you see make garage lunches easy and mess-free, and they stack well in busy workspaces. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick some up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Beyond the muffler, pipe diameter and resonators shape the overall sound. A larger midpipe or catback increases loudness and improves flow, while removing resonators amplifies tone but can increase cabin drone. Consider angled or rolled tips to direct sound away from the cabin and limit soot on bumpers. Always use quality hardware and check emissions rules before removing catalytic components to remain street legal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.